Okay, so the last thing we had done on the previous session was that we had run SSH copy ID and copied our ID over to the other machine. If I run that command again, nothing happens because it's already been done. I then want to make sure that that private key is loaded on my side. I put a password on my private key. You don't need to do that. It's a little paranoid, but I do it. And now that's all I need to access the remote server. I'm good, right? So I can get right in without being prompted. But I want to take an extra step here because I want to copy my private key over to that remote machine so that I can access my GitHub repositories from the remote machine. So I'm going to copy that one over to the remote machine. And notice you can tab it out, the places that you want to go to. And I copy the file over. Then I go over there, I go into the SSH directory. Because it's right now has very loose permissions, I lock it down. Then I load it. Okay, now I've got my key loaded, and I can go into my Git directory and do git clone the name of the repository that I want to get. Then I can iterate into that repository where we've got a little simple React project, and I can do npm install and then npm run webpack, which are built into my npm files, and I'll put a pause on while we're doing this. Okay, so now I've built this very simple React project, and what I can do now is I could sudo chown -r bcuser. This is not very secure, but I'm doing it anyhow because I just want to get some work done. I'm going to give bcuser access to the HTML directory. Then I'm going to create a link from to the directory. I guess I'd already done that, so that if we did go to our var www HTML directory, you can see that there's a link there to the project we just compiled. Now we can go up to the browser. We can create a new link. We can go to 192.34 week 01 basics, and there's our component running, okay, from it. So at this point, you're set up. You can begin doing Node or other development on that remote server. You've done everything you needed to do. I'm working with the Windows subsystem for Linux here because it was easy while I was shooting my video, but you might be working from pristine Ubuntu. You might be working from another Ubuntu server. You could be working in any number of places. As long as I have an Ubuntu command prompt, I'm happy working, and the Linux subsystem for Windows gives me that. It's actually not where I do most of my development, but it was convenient here to do the videos that way. Otherwise, what we've done is gotten things set up. Okay, hope you find this useful. Thanks.